everyone, this is Mansi and welcome back to Brain Trainer where we learn English together. Many students tell me that ma'am I want to become fluent but I am at home, I can't practice or I don't have a partner to speak with. तो ये बहाने लगाना बंद करो. हो सकता है maybe you feel shy when you speaking, maybe you think your English is not good or maybe you are waiting for perfect time. तो ये कभी नहीं आएगा. Let me tell you something very important. You don't need a perfect partner to speak English. You can become fluent at home. In this video, I will share you 5 simple realistic way to speak fluently at home. So this method is also used by my student every single day. So don't try to skip because the last method is very important. Let's dive in. Number 1, speak to yourself. Yes, you heard it right. Speak to yourself. The first and most powerful method is to speak yourself. Talk to yourself, speak to yourself, stand in front of the mirror, and don't worry about grammar. The task is you have to speak. That's it. Try to frame simple sentence or small sentences because small sentences is better than silence. For example, in the morning you can say I wake up, now right now I'm brushing my teeth, I'm eating food, or I go to gym, whatever. There are many kind of sentences that you can use in your daily life. Let's begin your day with simple English sentences. At first, you may feel uncomfortable, but after a few days, you see the changes. Just 5 to 10 minutes a day is enough to start. So remember, talk to yourself. The very first point is talk to yourself in front of mirror or try to frame a simple sentence. So the point 2, use English in your daily routine. Yes, you heard it right. The second point is use English in your daily routine. You don't need a perfect time to practice your English because your daily habits can improve your English and communication skills. For example, while you're cooking, you can say, I'm cutting vegetable, I'm making teas, or I'm preparing dinner. And if you are studying or doing some work, you can say, I am checking my notes, I'm doing my homework, or I completing my task. This kind of sentences help you in very effective way because you use realistic situation of speaking English. So the third method is read and speak loudly. Third method is read and speak loudly. Take a paragraph, just speak loudly, not silently, loudly because it will improve your fluency, pronunciation and confidence. While you're speaking a paragraph loudly, you can build your pronunciation and confidence, the way of speaking a sentence naturally and fluently. Even 5 minutes of loud reading can totally change your communication skills. So, here is a small tip while you're speaking English loudly, just stand in front of the mirror, look at your face, and speak clearly. This practice will make you fluent and confident. The fourth method is watch and repeat. Watch English videos, shorts, or a clip, pause and repeat the accent and the way they are speaking English. For example, the speakers say the day is very beautiful. Just repeat, pause the video and say the weather is very beautiful. Like I'm telling, I can practice English daily. Now it's your turn. That's cool. The most important tips to improve your fluency at home. Number 5. So, the most powerful tip is to record yourself for 1 minute at least and check yourself. Did I speak clearly? Did I make mistake? Or was I confident? This simple habit can totally improve your communication skills and become fluent. Many of my students use this method to improve their communication skills and English as well. Fluency is not magic, fluency is daily practice. So, the more you practice, the more you become fluent. You don't need expensive course, perfect grammar, and big vocabulary. You only need consistency and practice your English at least 10 minutes a day. You can change yourself in just a month. Now, let me know in the comments how many minutes will you practice your English daily at home. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share with your friends who want to improve their English at home. And I'll see you in my next one with best topic. Bye bye.